Okay, this next move is going to be the pendulum sweep from a closed guard. This move, okay, is very important that we have our pendulum motion down. So a quick way to demonstrate, you guys, just so you get this motion down, okay, so you can start grabbing both the sleeves here, okay. Okay, I'm kicking my legs out, moving my hips out. This way, this way, this way. These are my pendulums, okay? So it's kind of like a breakdance move. This move you guys can work on yourself. It's where kick my leg out here, boom, come up. Okay. Or we can do the other side here. Okay, here, kick, boom, and come up. Okay. So in the closed guard, you just start here, move this way. Okay, here. Again, like always, I break her posture down, boom, hold, okay. As she's starting to posture up, I'm gonna reach up with my right hand, go under the leg, and pull my shoulder to her knee tight, just like this, okay. I'm gonna hold real tight, okay. Try to get my knee touching, try to get my shoulder touching her knee. Now I'm gonna reach up and grab her arm, let go of the back, and grab her arm, her sleeve, okay. Now I'm gonna open my legs and kick my left leg that way, okay, up and raise my hip, okay. I wanna raise my hip up to her chest, boom. And now I'm gonna do the opposite. I'm gonna kick my leg back, kick the leg that's on her armpit, kick it that way towards her head, and kick this leg towards my butt, okay. I wanna kick it towards her butt so she doesn't land on my leg, okay. Here, boom, and come up. Now I'm gonna be up in the high mount, okay. This time here. Here. Boom. Hold. Pull myself. She starts posturing up a little bit. Grab. Up. Kick. Boom. One time. Let's go on this side. Back up a little bit. Here. Grip the sleeve, up, kick, come up. Stay straight. Break the posture, boom, grip. Pull my shoulder, pull myself to her knee, okay? Grip, open, leave my hip up, okay? My butt can't be down. Up, kick, and come up to the mount. And that is the pendulum sweep. Oh, close guard.